Going through the selling process is a lot of emotions, and it's hard to let go too. It's like raising a kid, you know. Built this thing up from zero to a larger company, and that's 37 years of my life, and it's a part of me. I talked to a peer in our industry, and he gave me Restoration Business Broker's name, and I really liked them because they specialize only in selling restoration businesses. If you use just a general broker, they don't understand our industry. They don't understand what TPAs are, how the insurance companies work, and so forth. I really like working with restoration business brokers. GOCO was very thorough and stayed in contact, and they brought me prospects that they had interviewed. They did background checks on them. There wasn't just fly-by-night people just coming to me. They were qualified, and I really enjoyed the people I met. He said, you know, it'll take about 4 to 5 people before we find the right buyer, and he was right on. The 6th one was the right one, and it worked out perfect because I really like the new buyer. It's a complex process to sell a business, and for me to do it on my own, it would probably have cost me more. I think that anybody that's selling their business in the restoration business should really consider using restoration business brokers, because that's what they specialize in. This is the only type of business they sell, and they're very niched in this market, and they're connected, and they know our terminology, and I think it's awesome. It makes the process a lot easier.